Relax your shoulders, a simple guide to easing tension. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and useful English phrase. Relax your shoulders. Whether you're learning English as a new language or refining your fluency, understanding the nuances of such phrases can be incredibly beneficial. This video aims to unpack the meaning, usage, and context of relax your shoulders to help you incorporate it into your daily English conversations confidently. So, let's get started. Relax your shoulders might seem straightforward at first glance, but it carries a depth of meaning beyond just physical movement. When someone says, relax your shoulders, they're typically advising another person to lower their shoulders to a more natural position, away from the ears, indicating a reduction of tension or stress. This phrase is often used in various contexts, including during physical exercises, in a therapeutic or relaxation setting, or even in casual conversation to suggest someone calm down or release anxiety. Body language plays a crucial role in communication, and the phrase, relax your shoulders, is deeply intertwined with this concept. Shoulders tensed up near the ears can signal stress, anxiety, or discomfort, which might not always be verbally expressed. By using or responding to this phrase, individuals can communicate care, empathy, and awareness towards themselves or others. It's a simple yet powerful way to acknowledge and address unspoken feelings or states of being. To fully grasp the phrase's utility, let's explore a few examples. In a yoga class, the instructor might say, relax your shoulders down away from your ears, encouraging students to release physical tension during a pose. At the office, a colleague may notice you're stressed and say, hey, relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath, as a friendly reminder to take a moment to unwind. In daily conversation, telling a friend, relax your shoulders, when they're sharing something that's clearly causing them distress, offering a metaphorical and literal suggestion to ease their worry. It's fascinating to note how such a simple phrase can also reflect cultural attitudes towards stress, relaxation, and physical health. In some cultures, openly discussing and addressing physical signs of stress is common, while in others, it might be more private. Understanding the cultural context behind relax your shoulders can enrich your communication skills and sensitivity towards others' comfort levels and backgrounds. We hope this video has shed some light on the significance of the phrase, relax your shoulders, and how it intertwines with physical gestures, emotional states, and cultural nuances. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar, it's also about understanding the deeper meanings behind the phrases we use every day. We encourage you to practice using this phrase in your conversations, paying attention to the reactions and the context. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to relax your shoulders as you continue on your English learning journey.